Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states, well, CSW really states, that gears 1, 2, and 3 have left the chat. Please check and advise. Well, say no more. You know what we do. We do our multi-point inspection, and we look around, see what's going on. We pull some filters, and we can see the cabin air filter is full of gugats. Now, you see this gugats right here. None of that is good. None of that's good. Pull the engine air filter out, and we can see the filter, yeah, it's dirty, so we're going to recommend it. We'll caution the engine air filter, but we're going to highly recommend to replace the cabin air filter. So we're looking around, and we know, we have a sneaky suspicion that we got some poo-poos. Oh yeah, we have a full range of dookie right there. Very good. Well, it's not very good, but y'all know what I mean. And of course, you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So you thought we were going to start at the front. We're actually starting at the back. Giggity. We're in flavor country. It's not that bad. We could definitely see we got some flavor chips, but could be worse. This control arm's looking good. This control arm's looking pretty good. It's actually looking a little better because this is where the start of first, second, and third gear has left the chat. You see how moisturized this is right here? Yeah, right there. Go to this side, dry as a freaking bone. So, we got the self-lubricating chassis system working extra hard on the driver's side of the vehicle. So hard, it's starting to lubricate the plastic shielding. So it stops right here, as we can see. Then it gets dry, and then we get the lumpy and bumpy shaft. Lumpy and bumpy, gushy gushy. So the further we go up, we can see the self-lubricating chassis system has slathered onto the front subframe on the driver's side. But when we follow the subframe and go all the way over here, dry as a bone. Now, let's go to where first, second, and third gear has left the chat. So when we look up here, we can see we have a cooler line right here. Now, we also have a cooler line right there. Now, right here, right there, that's where first, second, and half of third gear left the chat. It just went that way. Pretty much all the way that way. And the rest of third gear is right here. So what we're going to recommend now is we're going to recommend this here line. We're going to recommend that clamp right there. And we're going to recommend the full transmission fluid exchange. Or at least, you know what we're probably going to do? We're probably going to drain it, get it to level, drive it, get it to temperature, and then check the level and then check the condition of the fluid and make sure that it'll be at proper level when we're all said and done. We did inform them, however, because I have no idea how long this leak has been going on, but there might be damage to this here transmission. We won't know that until the leak is fixed and the fluid is at proper level. So, yeah. First, second, and third gear left the chat. I couldn't drive the vehicle. I had to put it in manual gear and take off in fourth gear. It would not select first, second, or third. So that's why I'm really thinking there might be damage, but low fluid will cause some crazy things to happen. Really would. So, oh, we got the oil pan existence, the hardware struggling. Oh, look, it's starting to leak. Okay, so, all right, I see you, fam. I see you're trying to get the self-lubricating chassis system going. Ooh, I can see we got it going on up there, and we got a brand new water pump, which is very good. But the S.L.C.S. still got some work to go. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.